Let's go back. We're back. I guess we'll call this part 4.
It's no
not a
longer
trilogy.
The camera just cut out on us.
That's right. Sorry about that, guys.
So tangent will be the y coordinate for 2 pi over 3 over the x coordinate. Now each one of these is going to be a fraction. So it's going to be
A little bit of
going to be
work.
pretty big. So if we look at 2 pi over 3,
And it's right here.
right here,
Yeah.
it's negative, excuse me, it's root 3 over 2 over negative 1/2.
Okay.
So I've got root 3 over 2 over negative. So I've got like a fraction of fractions.
Compound fraction. No, complex fraction. Sorry.
It's merely division.
That's it.
This divided by this. Divided by negative 1/2. And to divide by a fraction, we multiply by its reciprocal. Multiply by negative 2 over 1. And my 2's here will cancel. So I get numerator times numerator. Did not change it. Oh, you can change it for me. That's cool. Negative root 3 over 1, which is just negative root 3.
So you can see there's not a whole lot to sine and cosine, but now tangent, there's a little bit of work
And
involved.
cotangent.
Cotangent, we got to divide
Little
2
bit
fractions.
more work.
That's right. So now I don't know if you guys are familiar with this, and I'm going to go ahead and say it really quick. If we have the denominators here both have 2's in there. So what we could do is actually reduce those denominators, which gives us the square root of 3 or root 3 over negative 1. So we can make it negative root 3 over 1, which is negative root 3. Don't get in the habit of doing that unless these are the same and you are comfortable with it, or you're going to mess yourself up. You might want to stick with the reciprocating of the denominator and turn it into multiplication. That works every time, so you don't have to worry about any shortcuts with that. So of course, what if I wanted something, Mr. Simmons, like the cosecant of 7 pi over 4?
All right. Cosecant, I know, is 1 over sine, or excuse me, 1 over y. Okay.
Cosecant is first cousins
I
with
said
sine.
1 over sine, and we still have. Oh, we did say 1 over sine.
But we
We
haven't
haven't presented it. that way,
talked
but
about it as
is
sine and
reciprocal.
cosine, even though those are the coordinates.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I need to find the y coordinate for 7 pi over 4, and I need to take its reciprocal.
That's
Now
correct.
7 pi over 4 is your 45-degree angle in the third quadrant, and the y, let's go back to the circle to show them. I don't want to lose anybody. So right here, 7 pi over 4. And so the y coordinate is negative root 2 over 2. Let's go back.
Sorry.
So I want the reciprocal of negative root 2 over 2. So I'll put the 2 in the numerator and the root 2 in the denominator. I've got to rationalize again. That's all right.
We can do it.
We can do it. So I've got negative 2 root 2, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. I'm essentially squaring square root of 2, and the square root are inverse functions. They cancel out. And look at this. I've got a 2 times something divided by 2. That can cancel. And I just have negative.
Sorry. Oops. There you go. I'm sorry.
Negative root 2.
There you go. And of course, secant works very much like cosecant.
Right.
It's the reciprocal of
X.
x, since secant's first cousin of cosine, and cosine of theta is the x value, or first
Correct.
coordinate of the ordered pair. So we're ready to go now. You guys are
Right.
ready to find exact ratios or exact values of trig functions on the unit circle, which can be very handy later on.
And this is the foundation of everything we're going to do this first 9 weeks.
Exactly.
You've got to know this extremely well to succeed in this course.
And we're going to be quizzing you guys over this whole thing. So
Yep.
make sure you know it. Good luck. 4 videos. Watch them all. Make sure you watch them over and over again if you need to. They're always there for you to go back to. Check us out. Mr. Simmons on YouTube or through Schoology.
That's right.
Any questions? Good. We can't answer them. Ha ha. We'll see you later. Bye.